All right, what's up, everybody? I'm doing this video to help y'all out. For those who haven't joined the trading system yet, the Triple L trading system, it's all good. Happy New Year to you. But I'm going to show you what you kind of missed out on. We actually sent out 4 trades today, and all 4 went into profit. We did very, very well today. Very, very well. So I'll tell you the trades that we took, but I'm only going to show you one setup. We took the CAD Swiss, and we took that for a buy. We took the ECAD, which I'm about to show you right now, the EuroCAD. We took that for a sale. And then we took the USD CAD. We took that for a quick sale. And then we took the GA, German British Pound versus the Australian dollar. I forgot what we took for a buy or a sale, one of the two. But the point is that, that thing came out beast mode. We took 4 trades, all 4 were in profit this morning early in the opening of the U.S. session. But I'm going to show you this because a lot of people still have not joined the Triple L system, and yet you're looking for a way to trade. So let me show you what you can do when you have the Triple L system. Now, it does work on multiple time frames, so you can use it on the, I don't use it much on the shorter time frames, even though it does work. Like, for an example, here's an example. Boom. This is the 15-minute time frame, and if you would have caught that bad boy, look at that ride. Major, major, major. Then boom. And then it said it's time to go up right here. Boom. And let's see what happens. And up and away. And sure enough, look at that ride all the way up. Oh my God, that's major, major. We don't care about none of the other arrows. We just look for the ones that's together. So you get the point. Let me go to look at this one right here. Boom. Real smooth. See, I don't do all that clutter, all that noise. I just do this stuff. Boom. Right there. Would have got in. And then boom. Look at that move. Straight up. Look at that. Then boom. It says down. Boom. It says up. Look at that. Boom. It says down. Over and over and over. But anyway, let me go to my 1 hour time frame. I like that one the best. Look at this. Boom. Right here. And look at that thing. Shot straight up to the moon. Look at that. Now look, this is what we got in today, this morning. I call the trade signal because in our group we also offer free trade signals for life. It's no extra cost for that. The system itself, by the way, is only $2.99 one-time cost. I give you 2 different trading systems. Not only do I give you the Triple L, but there's another one called the Uncle Pappy, where I give you that system for free at no extra cost. We also do training classes, which we just concluded a 2-hour training class tonight, and believe it or not, my team, they stayed in there. I don't like to call them students. That's not, that's, anyway, moving on. I like to be humble on that part. So my teammates who attended the training tonight, we hung in there for 2 straight hours going over all kinds of stuff, just, putting thoughts together and showing strategies and, and basic functions of different things that, so anyway, I think it was very helpful for the team. But again, for those who are looking for a trading system that's going to work for you and keep it easy, Triple Arrow trading system is a beast. I'll tell you, it works wonders. So for an example, let's take a look at this particular trade. So some of you guys, with this one trade alone, with a standard lot, you could have paid for, look at that. And we literally rolled this thing all the way down, and they knew how to take profits on this. So we did hundreds of pips today alone, or for 4 trades. But look at this move. That move, one trade right there, 234 pips. So if you have a standard lot, that's over $2,300 one trade. $2,300 one trade. And all we're asking for is a $2.99 because, again, we have to pay for the different things that we've done. And we also take that money, just so some of you guys know, we actually take a portion of that money. We find people who we help. We funded, help them to pay for people to have a place to live. We've done... we've done a lot. So it's not just for us stuff in our pockets. We actually take some of the money that you guys give us for the trading system, and we make private donations to help individual people who nobody even knows about, because a lot of times people are struggling really, really bad and nobody ever knows about it. And so they can go to organizations, but sometimes organizations turn them down. So, hey, Super Easy Forex, we come in. We find out about individual situations, and therefore, we just do private funding. That's what we do. So anyway, your money is, once you pay for the system, it actually does go to a good cause in many situations. Okay. All right. So, and we're not a nonprofit at this point. I'm just telling you what we do because we want to be a blessing to other people. But that's not part of this video. The point is, let's get into the trade. So here's just one of the setups we saw. As you can see, big arrow, little arrow, yellow arrow. Candle closed below our moving average. And when you get the trading system, you'll know what this moving average is. You'll get the complete system along with all the other things because there's actually some lower indicators. I never show them on the video because it's always some people who trying to be cheap and they'll sit there and watch your video and they try to figure out, okay, so if he did this, then he must have did this, and they start trying to piece your stuff together instead of just, hey, pay the $2.99, man, come on to the team, get the full system along with the secondary free system and do things right. There's always some bootleggers out there. So anyway, that's why I don't show all of my lower indicators and I don't show everything that belongs on this chart. So we have multiple different ways of confirming our trades before we take it, not just the triple arrows, but we start with the triple arrows and then we add a couple of more indicators or seasoning into the gumbo pot to confirm that this is a move. And that's how we're able to gather major pips, okay? And so we did several hundred pips today because of the big move that came out. So the bottom line is, look at this right here, right on your own charts. We've already closed out our trades. I usually like to record and the trades while I'm live in a trade, but of course this happened earlier this morning and we closed it out. But you can check your own charts and see what happened. So yes, there was a huge move that happened today, but guess what? The triple arrow system had already given us a heads up right here. Boom, triple arrow and the major drop, and we caught that move, and that's just one of several. On the buy side, take a look at here. Look at this. Triple arrows is right here. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Crossed the line right there, and boom, it went up for a major move. Okay, here we go again, right here. Boom, boom, boom. I don't care which ones, as long as they're together, like a big family. And when that came up, that's when you had this move here. And we'll measure that one. And it just happens over and over and over again. Boom, that was 117 pips right there. Went back up. Let's see. That was so many pips. I got to shrink the screen. Y'all see that? Shrink the screen. Let's take a look. Boom, right here. Got in. Boom, right there. Get out. 463 pips on that move. What happened before that move? We can measure triple arrows right here. You can see this stuff yourself. So again, I don't give up. Let me say it up front. Boom, that was another 227 pips. And this is just one pair. We're just doing the same thing over and over again. Here we go. Triple arrows right here. You had to have a little patience with this one because guess what? It came back all the way down. And if you would have used the method where we talk about trim the profits and let the rest roll, you would have made 146 pips right here. Now, if you would have let the rest roll or just left it alone until you seen the reverse setup, it would have came back, but then it still dropped all the way down again. So boom, technically it would have went all the way down to about here, okay? Because that's the reverse. So from here to here, that would have been 30 more pips. Let's look, keep looking. Triple arrows right here. What do we see? Another move to the top. See, it just happens over and over and over again. 244 pips right here. Triple arrows to the downside. Here we go. Boom. Boom. 130 pips. We just playing with one pair. I ain't changed it. I ain't changed nothing. Now, this one I don't like when it does this stuff, so I probably wouldn't have took this trade right here, but it still worked. The point is, it works. Okay? Boom. That was what? Another 138 pips. Okay? Here we go at the top. On the top, pop. See that? Boom, right here. Came all the way back up, retested, and then made a major drop. So you get heads up in the charts before the action happened. So that was another 300 pips right there. And it just goes on and on. See? Triple arrows right here. And it goes again. And you see, you don't have to have major pairs or a number of pairs, 279 pips. And I know y'all can see this one. Now, listen, if you tell me you can't see this, then you need to just shut this channel off right now. This is not the service for you. I'll tell you that. If you don't see this, and you don't see this with your own eyes, and let me give you the date so you can back test it. Well, is it back tested? Well, I get so sick and tired. Listen, I'm not here to prove nothing to y'all, okay? I'm showing you proof that the system works. If you want it, cool. If you don't, no big deal, but I don't like when people be out there trying to prove you wrong and they don't know you, they don't have your system, and they just trying to, disgrace you without knowing that you put in years of effort and work to get where you are. So I don't care if you don't like it. That's not the point of this video. I'm here to help those who want help like I needed. I really needed help. I was oh man, it was a horrible journey to get where I am. But nevertheless, thank God I'm here. So I'm not up for the bull crap. I am here to just be a blessing to people. If you want to learn, if you need a little bit of help, and you're looking for a trading system and somebody to teach you, because I'm always inside my Telegram group helping them out. So if that's what you're looking for, I'm your guy. But anyway, take a look at this. Clear. See that all day long. Triple arrow. Boom. And look at that move to the downside. And notice I never went to a different pair yet. I'm still on the same exact pair. 482 pips. This is the date of the 27th. So those who know how to read charts, get on your own charts and check and see if did it actually happen or not. So you don't have to sit up there, nah, it didn't really happen. I'm showing you the charts. Look at this move. Triple L right here. Can you not see it? Boom, it's right there. Boom, right to here. That was 299 pips, basically about 300 pips right there, okay? So you're already looking at 2 or 3 moves over 1,000 pips. See what I'm saying? So again, if you're looking for a trading system that'll help you out, cool. Come on up, join us. We're more than happy to have you on the board. I really would love to work with you and kind of ease the process for you. This is GU. Look at this one. Boom. See, it don't matter about the pair. Boom. Here it go again. Look at that drop. Look at that drop. See? Look at that. Boom. Right there. Major drop. Look at that. It's still going, still going, still going, still going. Then boom. Triple arrows to the upside. There we go again. See? Don't matter about the pair. Uh-oh. What you see? Boom, boom, boom. Let's see what it do. Boom. Came back up. And then boom. All the way back down. How many pips is that? So we can do this all day long, people. 320 pips. Then boom. Did it go up? Did it go up? Up, up. Yep, it did. Even on the short one. Even the ugly ones come out cute. You know you good when your ugly babies look cute. 123 pips. I shouldn't have said that one. Oh, I'm tired. Maybe I need to go to bed. So anyway, y'all get the point. See, look at this. Triple arrows right here. This is today. This is today. Boom. Triple arrows. What happened? Boom. Man, I messed up. I didn't catch this one myself. I was in the other trade, so I missed this one. Look at this. How many pips was that total? It went all the way down for 344 pips. So yes, today had a major market drop, but the triple arrows were faithful, came through and did their thing. All right. So anyway, if you want to join our team, we'll be more than happy to work with you. My name is Uncle P, Uncle Pappy, as everybody in the group know. And so, you know, it's only $2.99, one-time cost. Like I said, lifetime signals, 2 trading systems, and plenty of support in our group, because there are several people in our group who is actually, you know, somewhat professional traders themselves. They're in our group. So, you know, what happens is if you have questions, you don't have to wait for me to answer. There's many people in the group who are experienced traders in there, and they answer more quickly than I do. In addition to that, there's always some things that people are sharing in there, or that they found other trading systems that, you know, that they utilize, or because they take this system and they actually advance it even further, and then they post different things inside the group to help every trader out. So it's a really big family, and that's what I love. And we have family members from Hong Kong, China, Africa, here in the U.S. So it's just all over the globe. We have people in our group from all walks of life and profession. So we'll be more than happy to have you on board. Come and join us. It's $2.99, one-time cost. What I would ask you to do is to email me, because I'm going to personally send you out the system with an email and welcome you to the team. And then with the PayPal link that I'll send to you, please use the friends and family portion of it, because if you use, like I have a couple of people now, I just got done responding to an email from a guy. I told him, I said, hey, please use the friend and family option, because if you use the business option or e-check, PayPal will hold your funds for a very long time, and therefore we can't release the system to you until it's released. And so as he found out, I have two new team members who's going to be coming aboard. But what's the holdup? Not us. It's actually PayPal. PayPal is taking forever to release their funds. I actually sent them a screenshot as proof, and so they can see that, hey, PayPal is holding up the funds. As soon as they release it, we'll send you a system. So with you guys, if you're going to come aboard, make sure to use the friends and family option, because it makes the funds available to us immediately, and therefore we can release your system right onto you, and you can start making pips like us, okay? One last point, free up. Please be careful on Friday, because Friday, for those who know what this means, the NFP is on Friday, non-farm payroll. It's one of the most exciting moves in the market, and Many times what they do is they spike the market in both directions to wipe out and take both sides of the money and then go into the pattern that it normally was, the normal trend. So that's quite often what they do. So just protect your account if you're trying to trade on Friday. I would suggest sit on the sidelines and just hold off until after the non-farm payroll is over. Or like some of us are going to do, we'll just wait until Sunday or Monday. Okay? All right. Love you guys. Hope you had a good day, and Happy New Year's to you. And I hope this video was helpful. And I look forward to working with you guys very, very soon. Okay? Bye. Oh, by the way, my email is supereasyforex @gmail.com. supereasyforex@gmail.com. Shoot me an email first. I could send you a link, but I prefer to respond to you first to introduce myself, make sure you know who I am and that it's legitimately me. And then I'll send you over the PayPal link. Go ahead, pay $2.99. I'll send you the trading system, both of them. And it has videos on the inside of the link that I'm going to send you. Just set up the video. Each one of the trading systems, it'll be 2 videos that you can watch step by step if you're brand new, and then you'll be up and running. Okay? All right. Love you guys. Have a good day.